How to make money with crypto and DeFi. The world of digital currencies and DeFi opens up new models for earning money other than conventional financial methods, that is, trading and holding. Stick around to learn about these passive methods of crypto and DeFi. Hi guys, here in Crypto Marketer, we talk about everything related to crypto. In this video, we are discussing about the ways of making money with DeFi. Most of them are passive methods that can be combined by your holding strategy. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing that. A lot of people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they don't properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. The good news is that many types of new passive DeFi monetization methods have emerged since DeFi was born. Here we take a closer look at how to make money with crypto and DeFi. The first way to make money is undoubtedly lending. It is the most commonly followed DeFi activity, primarily because of the emphasis of early DeFi protocols on lending. Total value locked in DeFi lending protocols peaked at $50 billion in early 2022 from nearly zero at the end of 2012 on lending. Lending platforms pay users an APY for locking their assets into a smart contract. These tokens are then utilized by borrowers who pay interest, a portion of which is returned to the lender. Governing the lending process by smart contracts causes no risk of the borrower failing to repay their debt. Thus, you'll always be able to withdraw your staked assets at any time. Here we mention three lending platforms. Compound DeFi, a lending platform based on Ethereum blockchain which allows the lenders to lock assets into smart contracts. In addition, users can add assets to the liquidity pool and thus earn compound interest. Compound maintains several assets and uses a different capital pool for each of them. Aave DeFi, an open-source Ethereum-based platform on which users can be lenders and borrowers. If you are a lender, you deposit the selected asset and amount and earn passive income based on borrowing. Also, the deposited asset can serve as collateral if you are a borrower. The interest you earn as a lender can serve as the interest you pay as a borrower. MakerDAO is also a decentralized protocol based on the Ethereum blockchain, enabled by stablecoin DAI. The Maker protocol comprises smart contracts whose role is to reduce DAI volatility by allowing borrowers and lenders to borrow digital assets without the risk of counterparties. Smart contract risk, whereby the protocol's public code is targeted by hackers looking to exploit bugs and benefit from malpractice, is a common form of attack in DeFi. Another risk is that users need to be extra cautious with wallets and addresses. Sending money to the wrong wallet or losing your private key means that your funds are lost forever. Staking is also another common addition among responses for making money with DeFi. It is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins, but you don't spend them. Instead, you lock the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof-of-stake network then uses your coins to validate transactions. You receive rewards for doing so. In a sense, you are lending coins to the network. This allows the network to maintain its security and verify transactions. The reward you receive is similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. Also, those users with the most significant stakes would have the privilege of approving transactions on the platform. This makes it much more energy efficient than crypto mining and doesn't require you to own expensive hardware. Another interesting highlight about staking as a DeFi passive income generation method is that majority of DEXs featuring automated market maker systems allow users to stake the native tokens. Such facility is often termed as a saving option and can help in earning a share of revenue generated by all solutions on DeFi. For example, investors can earn fees from the swaps on liquidity pools. Investors could earn the rewards as additional tokens when they take their savings out of the stake. To dive deep into staking and learn how to get started in it and learn about staking protocols and platforms, watch our betting video. The risk of centralization is very high when the bulk of assets are in large players' hands. Also, because users strive to keep coins in their accounts as long as possible to maximize possible profits, there is a high risk of a decrease in the cryptocurrency turnover in general. The staking mechanism also involves the withdrawal of an asset from circulation, blocking funds in the wallet. This means that the user cannot use coins until the end of the staking period and his funds are illiquid. Now come with me to know about two other ways providing liquidity and yield farming. Liquidity providers can find a flexible answer for how to earn passive income with DeFi, with the share of swap commission or fee. Based on the share of an investor in the liquidity pool, the platform determines the swap fee which should be awarded to them. Becoming a liquidity provider brings the risk of impermanent loss, which is clearly evident due to the significant fluctuations in the price of pooled tokens. However, you can take necessary precautions for addressing the risk of impermanent loss in the DeFi passive income method of providing liquidity. Liquidity providers could address the concerns of impermanent loss through a selection of pools with high liquidity. On the other hand, liquidity providers can also choose pools with stable coins or assets with less volatility. In a nutshell, crypto yield farming is a tool offered by DeFi platforms that allows you to generate interest on your idle digital assets. In this regard, the process is somewhat similar to crypto staking or interest accounts, insofar that your primary objective is to earn an attractive APY on tokens that you currently own. However, where yield farming differs is that you will be providing crypto tokens for a trading pair offered by a decentralized exchange or DEX. For instance, let's suppose that you are interested in earning a yield of 20% on ETH USDT. In order to benefit from this high APY, you would be required to provide an equal value of Ethereum and Tether. This could be, for example, $1,000 worth of ETH and the same amount in USDT. And in doing so, this allows the respective exchange to offer enough liquidity to its users. In other words, users can swap ETH for USDT or vice versa instantly and at competitive spreads. In fact, it's just a case of the underlying smart contract performing the swap autonomously. Now, when users opt to swap tokens for a pair that you have provided liquidity for, trading fees will apply. And as a stakeholder in that respective liquidity pool, you will earn a share of any fees collected. To know about the best yield farming strategies and improve yourself to earn money from it, watch our video about yield farming. Cryptocurrencies are speculative assets that always carry risk of financial loss. This risk comes in several ways. Government oversight. Despite some actions against Web3 scammers being already taken, cryptocurrencies and similar digital assets are still mostly undefined by law. This may be good for now, but it's also the sword of Damocles. The SEC and other regulators may crack down at any moment. Volatility. A common mistake that yield farmers make is choosing volatile cryptos to farm. In just a few minutes, passive earning of thousands of dollars can evaporate. Rug pulls. Exit scams are abundant nowadays. It's the same old story every time. Someone creates a scam coin, pays investors and influencers to promote it, the coin becomes valuable and they all sell. Don't pull the trigger if you see too many people promoting a new and unknown project. It's most likely a scam. Aim for tangible evidence, not hype.